Hi everyone, this is Ahmad. I'm a good contractor, but I'm really shy guy. I think I'm shaking now. But as a contractor, I'm a hero. Don't worry about that. You can count on me. I will. My colleague asked me why I'm not using this mic. If I stay here, I will just look to you guys and not talk, because I can't. I have to walk and talk. It will be really good for all of us. I will answer, actually I will share my experience regarding 5 important questions that you guys all the time has. But first of all, I want to let you know, if you want to do a renovation, if it is bathroom, if it's kitchen, basement, anything, the important part is for you to hire a contractor. With hiring a contractor, but the important thing is you should find the right contractor. You will save on timeline. The question you had, like if you have choose a good and right contractor for your job, it will be really fast. The second thing is, the contractor will help you to find really a good material, quality-wise, the important part, price-wise. It means with hiring a contractor, you're saving on the budget and also on the timeline. But if you listen to the contractor, if you hire a contractor and you want to do everything by yourself, if you choose everything, if you tell him which design you like, and you ask him to do exactly what's your idea, then in this case you don't need to hire a contractor. It will be better to hire like a handyman. You will tell him, he will do your job. Of course, at the end of the day, there will be not a really good result quality-wise, but your job will be done. But if you are hiring a contractor, it's very important, because a contractor, like for example me, as a contractor, I'm working with 5 different designers every single day. I'm meeting them, I'm going with them to the job site, they are like making drawings for me, the design for me. It means I have knowledge from 5 different designers. It means when you hire a contractor, maybe you don't need to hire a designer, because the contractor already know what he is doing. But of course, it will help the contractor if you give them a little bit information, what you like, what color you like, which kind of material you like, and what's the purpose of the renovation you want to do. This was just a advertisement for myself. I'm asking you to hire a contractor. It means hire me, or maybe my friend. The first question all the time people ask as the contractor is, how much it will cost to do a bathroom renovation? Especially most popular bathrooms are 3-piece bathroom, shower, toilet, vanity, small or medium size. As my friend already told you, it's depend on the material, but my experience from years, if you want to do a 3-piece bathroom, like normal size, with good material but not really fancy brand, you can complete it with 9,000. But if you hire a contractor, if you want to do a normal end finish bathroom, that will be the cost start from 9,000. But if you go to choose a different material, of course the price will change. But it's possible to have a good job done, quality, material, everything, material include, then it will be start from 9,000. The second question is the timeline. Most of the time, it's a question, okay, if I start to renovate my bathroom, how many times it takes? Because Jason's house like bathroom takes 6 months. Like Nargis house take 3 months. Every friends or family house, when they did renovation, there is not an exact same timeline. It's different, 6 months, 3 months, 2 months. But if you find a right contractor, a 3-piece bathroom job is 1 week job. We do finish since 3-4 years a 3-piece bathroom job in 5 to 6 days, but we mention in the agreement 1 to 2 weeks. But we complete the job in 1 week. A 3-piece bathroom job can be completed in a week if you choose the right person. If you go with a handyman, then the handyman is, for example, working in your bathroom a day, then he is going to another customer house, then he is going to another customer house, because he has to. Handyman giving you really good price. You like the price, but you have to accept the timeline also, if it is taking 3 months, 6 months. But technically, in my experience, a week is enough for a 3-piece bathroom. But if you have a 5-piece bathroom, like a freestanding tap, or for example, a dry sauna, or for example, a steam shower, of course it will take more time, but still it will be between 2 to 3 weeks. If you choose the right guys. Unfortunately, it's difficult, but it's possible, because now here is Improve Canada. You can come here, you can find lots of contractors, you can find lots of good suppliers, like Canaroma, best prices, really good quality materials. Okay, this was regarding the timeline. The another question is the heated floor, actually. Sometime customer is asking me, oh Ahmad, is it safe if you have a heated floor in bathroom, in kitchen, and somewhere else? Of course, it is. You can have a heated floor. You guys need it, you will love it. It's not really difficult, it's easy, and it's not costly. Don't be afraid, because in a small bedroom, you just need to, for example, do heated floor for a 3 by 3 feet space. Where you're going to wash your hands in the vanity, where you're using the toilet, that's it. It will be, and the cost will be around $1,500 to $2,000. But it will be really good, especially if you ask your contractor to choose the Schluter material. If you choose the Schluter material, it's a product of German, it's really good, because they're coming, it's safe, it's not costly, again, if you hire a contractor, because if you buy the material, it will be really scary. But if your contractor buy the material, they will have lots of discount that you not believe. In this case, you can have, it's really good, it's the new system, the Schluter system is with Wi-Fi, it's connected to the Wi-Fi. When you walk up, you don't need to go to the bathroom, just use your phone, make it started to become heated, then go take a shower. The last answer to the last question. Most of the time, my friends, my family is asking me, okay, Ahmad, what's the expensive part of a bathroom renovation? It's difficult to answer, because if you want to, if you let Ahmad to choose your vanity, I will choose a beautiful vanity, good quality vanity with the value of $700–800. But if you're going to buy a beautiful, really high-end quality vanity from Canaroma for $5,000, it's your choice. You decide what you want to do. The expensive part of a bathroom is the tile work. It's not about the price of the tile, it's about the price of installation. If you want to have a curbless shower floor, like all the bathroom floors should be in one shape, it's a really art job, it's expensive if you hire a professional tiler or installer, if you don't hire a contractor. The price of the installation of the tile will be the expensive part. If you want to have a really cool and beautiful niche in your shower, it will cost. If you want to finish it, if you want to do a custom job, if you want a custom niche to make it the design you like, then it is a costly part of the bathroom. The rest of the job is waterproofing, not a heavy part. It's not expensive. The material, if you choose beautiful material, like good quality, but if you ask your contractor to help you, then you will find really good material and prices. But the expensive part of a bathroom is the tile work. If you have any question, I'm here. I'm good now. I'm not shying. Ask me any question you want.
What's the hardest part?
The tile.
Renovating the bathroom. Also the tile?
Yeah. Doing tile. Tile is the important, because you can make lots of design with the tile. As I mentioned, the niche. If you want to have a really beautiful curved niche in your shower, it's possible, but that's the expensive part. And most of the time when you do flooring, you hire a tile guy. He is giving you a good price, $7, $8, whatever it is. But you're thinking, okay, if I change my bathroom tile, it will be the same cost. It's not like that. The bathroom tiling work is not by square feet. It's piecework. They will see, an installer will see, okay, which size bathroom you have, how many how many square feet tile you want for here. Then they will give you a price, piecework price. Then he will do the job. Another question?
Shower bases, the quartz, one-piece quartz or tri-pack and tiles?
Shower base, it's depend. Now there is lots of different material. They coming ready. Then you put the shower base, then your installer will install the tile, which drain you want. The most of the modern and look-wise and use-wise also the best drain is the linear drain. The tall drain, that's the best drain for the shower, and your tile guy can finish the tile shape also very beautiful with that. If you go with the square, old-fashioned drain, it's not a good idea nowadays because we have lots of options in very good quality drains, and that's also one of the important part of the shower, the drain. If the drain not work well, then you will have headache all the time. But it's depend. Nowadays for the wall there is another kind of material. It's very cheap, but it looks good, quality is good, PVC board. It's PVC, you don't need to install tile, and your tile work will be done, for example, in 2 hours. It's coming with big slabs, 4 by 8. Then the shower wall, you can use that. It is safe. It's already we used that maybe almost 2 years ago, but the customer is happy. Everything is good. If you're really in rush, sometime you want the job done soon, then there is possibility, especially for the wall work. If you want to do tile, instead of the tile, you can use really beautiful tile look. When you come to my showroom, I will show you guys today. But yeah, that's a really easy way to do, and also you can save on that instead of you do the tile work.
Can you do it on the top of the existing tiles, so you have to?
Yes, you can do that. Actually, now there is some kind of material you can do tile on tile in the floor also. If you find the right contractor, he will do it for you. But it will be better to remove the tile, because who did the existing tile maybe not finished in a really good look, maybe a little bit jumping and problems. It will be better, but it's possible. We do that. We did lots of time. You can do that.
Even in the shower?
Yeah, you can do that in the shower also. Yeah, and there is also another way, when the contractors know how to do it, they will do a little bit different framing, then they can install the tile on the top of that. It's possible you can do that. Another good thing is, and you can save a lot, you can use the new generation of the vinyl anywhere. Bathroom, bedroom, floor, stairs, kitchen, 100% waterproof, really easy to install. You can install it by yourself. Just watch some YouTube video. That's it.
You will show us that?
Yeah, sure. I will show you. Any question?
Yeah, so we're looking at replacing our vanity, I would say, the mirror,
Yeah.
toilet. So who would I be looking for? Is it a contractor or a handyman?
Actually, a good question. Why are you hiring a contractor? Because the contractor has the right guy to come there without any making trouble and issues, take out the existing material and install the new good material. If you have a 24-inch vanity and you want to have a 48-inch double sink vanity, then it's not just changing a vanity. It's a fully rough and plumbing. it means you need a contract. What I'm explaining to you, if it's a small job, if it's a big, yeah, of course, if you want to change your toilet or just the vanity, same size, same look, you just hire someone, a plumber. A plumber can do the installation also for you. He will do the plumbing and he will install it. But if you want to do it to bring changes in the sizes, then the contractor is the best option because you're saving with the contractor. Now, when people thinking, oh, if I have a contractor, he will, charge me a lot. He will take lots of money from me. It's everyone. My mother also thinking like that. She will not tell me to come do my job because she thinks I will charge him a lot. But it's not like that. You believe me. Contractors make money from the suppliers. I make money when I do your job. I make money from Canorama. I don't want to make money from you because I have lots of good discount from them. I'm selling the material for you. I'm making my money there. I'm giving the services for you. It's safe. But unfortunately, now everyone is a contractor. A guy, for example, working for me for 2 months, he doesn't know anything, just a little bit. He was working with me sometime. Now he has a business card. He's a contractor. It's just an example for you to know. Then when you're choosing your contractor, do a background check also. Not that kind of background check, at least do your homework. Talk with him, see how he explained to you, how. And one of the important part to hire a contractor is the contractor should have suppliers. If a contractor doesn't know anything like suppliers, they will not help you. You will not save with him. Like if he is a contractor, it means he already has their suppliers, like Canorama, like lots of other guys. Then they have discount. You save on the money, and they know, they have knowledge. They have a lot of different suppliers. They know, okay, who has good material, vanity, for example, toilet, shower system that fit your budget. The last thing I want to share with you, then you can ask me any question. I don't know if they let me. But the thing is, the choosing, when you want to do a renovation, first of all, the important part is to have the right budget for your job. If you have a good budget, if you want to do renovation in Canada, it means you investing. And right away, you're making $2 and $1. I'm not joking. This is what my ex-boss does. He bought like houses, we flipped. He made money on the renovation, not just on the cost of the property. It's going real estate. It's going up or down. If you want to do renovation, first make a little bit good budget, then do it. Why? Because if you expend a $50,000, you make $150,000. I'm not joking. Why? Because the value of the house is going up. If you do it in the right way, if you hire the right person, then. Otherwise, if you want to do budget job, then think that money is, you're wasting the money, if be honest. This is, I'm telling to all of my customers. Some of them loves me, some of them say, oh, Ahmad, you're talking a lot. I say, yeah, you're right, I'm talking a lot. But by the way, yeah, when you want to do a job, try to have, for example, I told you, if you want to do a 3-piece bathroom, if you don't have 9,000, don't think about it. Because if you expend 7,000, it's possible. If you expend 3,000, it's still possible. But it's just waste of money. You will be not happy at the end of the day, and there will be just a waste. It's not a value. But if you do it in the right way, of course. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Yeah, yeah. There you go.